Hey there guys, well, bit of an end of an era here. Time for the Urban to get its little makeover. Now, wouldn't believe that is near 5 years old. Well over 22,000 hours on it. It still hasn't blown. But it's getting replaced for that. Now, also, that gets to go on. Well, before I waffle on too much, I'm going to get some work done on this. Well, first things first, there, the lamp holder has to come out. So, help if I had the right screwdriver while I was go and get him. Well guys, time to give him one last quick test and then button him up and give him a clean. And there we go, in place, ready to roll. Just a little bit brighter than an 80-watt mercury vapor lamp. Oh, look at that, just like I bought one. And, of course, the cover. And she's looking brand new again. One other little thing is I'm going to attach to its pole this little fella. Make it look a little more authentic and use up my little bobbin insulators. Use a couple of them anyway. Anyhow. Well guys, there she is. Up and ready to roll. Yes, it's day burning, but there's a reason for that. I've got a bypass switch on it. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.